This is Unit 2, Lesson 8, where we're going to be solving ratio word problems by identifying equivalent ratios. The three examples I'm going to do for you are all going to relate to the first sentence here. 4 avocados cost $8. I'm going to show you a few different ways in both of these questions to get your answer. For the first one, we want to know how much 12 avocados cost. For this one, I'm going to solve this using a double number line. A double number line is a set of parallel lines. We want to identify what the two things in this problem that are being compared. So we're comparing avocados A and dollars. The number line starts with the information from the problem. So 4 avocados cost $8, and we want to make sure we put those one underneath the other. I'm going to continue counting on my avocado line until I get to 12 avocados. So 4 times 2, and I can see 4 times 3 will give me 12. So I need to identify the number that connects with the 12 avocados. So I continue my dollar number line, making sure I'm putting 1 directly underneath each. For this one, I'm counting by 8s, so 8 times 2 and 8 times 3. So the answer in this problem is, if we have 12 avocados, the amount that is directly underneath it gives me a total of $24. The next question I'm going to complete using a table. A table works similar to a double number line, where we definitely want to make sure we have labels, so A for avocado again, and dollars. And again, we're going to start with the information given. 4 avocados cost $8. Then we're going to input in the table the value here, 16. 16 should be the avocado amount over here. Sorry. Erase that there. Alright, and so then what we're trying to identify is how much that's going to cost, so what dollar amount. In the table, we're going to try to decide first, did we multiply our original ratio or did we divide it? And that's looking at the number of avocados originally, 4, towards the number 16. And we got larger, so we know we are multiplying, and we know 4 times 4 will give me 16. Whatever I do on the left side of the table, I'm going to do on the right side as well. So I'm going to multiply 8 by 4, which tells me the cost of 16 avocados will be $32. For the last one, if we look at the value 3 avocados, I know that I cannot input that onto my double number line, and if I input that into my table, I added it here, 4 cannot easily multiply or be divided by something to get 3. So what I'm going to do here when the double number line or when the table is a little bit tricky is the first thing I'm going to do, writing my ratio as a fraction, avocados to dollars, and the information again is 4 avocados cost $8. And what I'm trying to solve for is, what is the cost of 3? So what I'm going to do first, before I can find how much 3 cost, using a calculator, I'm going to identify how much 1 cost. Because when I am dividing, 4 divided by 4 will give me 1. 8 divided by 4 tells me the cost of 1 avocado is $2. Once I know the cost of 1, I can then figure out the price of any other value, because 1 times anything will give you that number. So we're buying 3, so we're taking the cost of 1, multiplying it by 3, and we see that 3 avocados will cost $6.